I work in France with people with muscle problem. I'm here for learning traditional medicine Chinese because it's more expression for us. It's very important. We have lots of results and immediately. It is complementary with modern medicine.
I come to China for study traditional medicine Chinese because I try to learn it in French, but it's not the same experience because we don't see all the practice that we can see in China. I think it's really important to see the practice in China.
Here is a really wonderful place because we met very high level knowledge for the medicine doctor here, and it's very interesting to see how they practice here with the children and where they met the people here, also very open, very nice with everybody.